Hi guys, and welcome back to another educational video from Daily Knowledge. As we get older, our friend circle becomes smaller and smaller because we become more selective and we want to surround ourselves with people who can bring value in our life. Just like a spring cleaning, you must also do some cleaning when it comes to people who are betraying your trust and spreads negativity in your life. Now let's talk about the type of people you must get rid of in order to live a happy and successful life in 2022. 1. Those who have a negative mindset. These people spread negativity wherever they go. Try to avoid this kind of people at all costs. These people live in a black and white world where everything must end bad. By spending time with negative people, you will risk to get in the same boat with them. Negative people are also always worried and pessimistic. They don't want to leave their comfort zone and they complain about anything. You have to get rid of negative people as soon as possible, because if you want to live a successful and a productive life, you will need a positive attitude, and negative people won't help you with that. A scientific study found that having a positive mindset can help you live 7 years longer, so what are you waiting? Get rid of negative people now, if you want to live longer. 2. Those who lose their temper fast. These type of people are the ones that are really draining your energy. You should never have to absorb someone's outbursts. We all have difficult times in life, but acting immature, it's not an excuse. Maintaining self-control will push us to our limits, and we generally have ways to control this. By listening to these people, you are helping them, but why should you face the consequences and feel tired and drained the rest of the day? These type of people are psychologically underdeveloped and have zero emotional intelligence. In short, they don't have to be a part of your inner circle. Get rid of them now. 3. Those who lie to you. Some friends will swear that they will keep the secret when you tell them confidential information about yourself. If you find that the information is now publicly available, you may get angry and decide to end the friendship, and trust me, that's the best way to go. You must understand that dishonest and people who lies can cause harm in many other ways as well. These type of people will lie to you about their financial situation or when they have problems at their job. They can also be disingenuous and lie to you about what they think of you when you ask them face to face. These type of people will only cause damage in friendship over time because, as we all know, trust, sincerity, and honesty are the most valuable qualities of any friendship. If someone lies to you, you know exactly what to do. Get rid of that person now. 4. Those who are stressed out. Did you know that all the people are predisposed to think negatively, and it's in our gene to be always concerned about safety, health, and survival? That makes sense, because as a caveman, we always had to be prepared for run or fight. It's very amazing how that primitive stress still rests in our gene, even today. Nowadays we don't have to hunt in order to get food or to run from predators, but one thing that's for sure is that we must avoid stressed people at all cost, because they will drain all our mental and physical energy. Some research studies shows that any long-term exposure to stress affects our brain and our performance. We have enough of our own stress that we can manage without having to deal with stressed people. So my advice, get rid of them. 5. Those who play the victim all the time. These type of people are the experts in the blame game. They never take responsibility for their own faults or mistakes. These type of people believe that they are the victim and it is never their fault. These people should be avoided at all costs because they won't bring anything good in your life, but you also risk being involved in their blame game. 6. Those who are manipulative. There are some people out there who will just want to use your image in order to get through life easier. This type of people will look for that perfect job that you always had dreamed about and make sure you don't apply for it. Another important thing about this type of people that you really need to know is, manipulative people know how to get information out of you, and they always take advantage of your kindness. They will try to uncover certain weaknesses, or even some sensitive things about you, which they will then use against you, later on. Sooner or later, you will recognize that you are the one who always gives, or the one who pays. Be a smart person and avoid these people, because they are taking advantage of you. Simply, just get rid of them. 7. Those who criticize you a lot. A little honest and fair feedback is fine from time to time, but if you find that certain people, especially the close ones, are constantly criticizing you, it may be the perfect time to act and to get rid of them. If you want, you can always tell them that their constant criticism doesn't help you at all, in fact is annoying you. And with that being said, until next time, thanks for watching.